Page 145, this is the one at the bottom of the page called Tempo di Menuetto. I question that title a little bit. Tempo of a Minuet, from Sonata in G, apparently by Beethoven. Okay. You can find all kinds of recordings of the Sonata, Opus 49, number 2. Here, they want you to provide an accompaniment to the melody. So somebody else is doing the melody. Could be anything that can C instrument or other instrument if they can transpose. So this could be another piano, an organ, oboe, flute, any instrument that's a C instrument. They could play this and you just do the accompaniment. The original piece is a piano solo though. Again, let's just hear what the melody is doing here. It's in 3/4 time with 1 sharp or in the key of G major. Okay. And it's pick up 3 and 3 E and a 3 E and 1 and a 2 E and a. That's what the melody is. That's the melodies, just so I can hear the melody. And then the accompaniment, they're doing the root in the bottom. So that's we do the root in the bottom, unless they give you a different note. Like in that 3rd full measure, it's an F sharp on the bottom. And then the chord in the right hand, in root position, I guess. So it's here. F sharp. It's a D chord now, but it's just F on the bottom. G, D, G, and then it's a D with an F sharp, and G. Yeah? So those are sort of the chords, and they just wanted to go chuck rest in 3/4 time. So 1, 2, rest. That's nice because it gives you a chance to move and figure out what's going on. So you got 1 beat to do all that in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think maybe something different on the last measure rather than that. You finish it off, just or whatever. I don't care. That's basically what they're doing here. I'm going to do this melody about where it goes, and if you want to play the accompaniment along with it and see what happens, I'll give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. I'm going to play it up here. That way it'll sound better because you're playing these notes and I don't want to play the same notes. Ready? Go. 2, 2. 2, 2.